Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Geo for Geography and myself Akshay Guru. So I'm here with one of the most important topic I think that you will rather find interesting as well. That is atmospheric river. Guys, you must be aware about a river. Yeah? That is simply like a stream or a flow of water over in a definite path or a channel. That river is usually like on the surface, or that river just could be even underground river ना subsurface river, that is as well known as past topography में आपने सुना होगा subsurface river as well. Now today the topic that we are going to discuss, and equally I find that is interesting, that is atmospheric river. See, this atmospheric river, as a name indicate, as the term itself indicate, it is simply that river that is in the atmosphere. But really, that river, that just a water or a liquid water just could stand or hang over in the atmosphere. Answer is no. You'll find water in the form of moisture. You know, water in the form of vapor, which rather form a definite flow of this uh, uh, vapor like structure, okay, over in the atmosphere, and that is what simply atmospheric river. So atmospheric rivers are giant bands of water vapor in the sky. They are on average 800 kilometers wide and several hundred kilometers long. Huh? So 800 kilometers or even maybe more long this atmospheric rivers are, but they are simply a void, okay, a gaseous format of water. So don't get confused. These are literally like a liquid river itself, rather a water vapor and its consistent flow. Now, again, it is a long, narrow band of moisture filled air that transports significant amount of water vapor from the tropics to higher latitudes. See, why tropic you need to understand first. The reason being, tropic is that particular region where you will find ample amount of water, and in addition, the water that is required, temperature that is required to transform liquid water into vapor. है So from tropic to higher latitude, you will find this water or atmospheric river is rather keeping its journey. Now, it is usually associated with empty maritime tropical air mass. ना empty just because ocean maritime region hai, and its evaporation it just keep a continuous fuel or flow of atmospheric river. According to NOAA, that is of US agency, the water vapor they carry is roughly equal to the water flow at the mouth of the Mississippi River. Yes, that Mississippi River is basically on the eastern coast of North America. And this is what this river in the sky, that is atmospheric river. I hope this explanation, this definition is pretty much clear to you guys, है ना? So that this concept is now well understood. Now, अब देखो इसका real time example where you will find, do we really have this kind of atmospheric river then, or like anything, any phenomena, any current happening that is in connection with it? Answer is yes. The real example is you must have heard in the current affair, that is Pineapple Express. This Pineapple Express, it is simply that atmospheric river, a water vapor atmospheric channel which originates or which derive its water vapor, right, from the Hawaiian region of the Pacific, and from where it covers a 1,000-mile journey towards the western coast of North America. This is a North American region. And over in the California, that that Sierra Nevada range, that is a mountain range. देखो यहाँ पे explanation दिया है. See, that is a Sierra Nevada range. You will find this atmospheric river that blows up in the atmosphere, and whenever it gets struck or obstructed, yeah, uplifted by an orographic barrier, it leads to a rainfall or precipitation event over there. And this is how it causes a change in the weather and climatic patterns as well. So a well-known example of atmospheric river is on the west coast of US. Originating from the Hawaii with a huge moisture content, it is driven by a strong southern branch of the polar jet stream. The driving branch for this atmospheric river is rather polar jet stream. And I hope you guys are much aware about the polar jet stream, है ना? ये था देखो इसका real time example of the pineapple express. Apart from US, do we find any other example? Answer is yes. Apart from this, US, they would rather have their presence worldwide. Like it's affect the UK, Ireland, Norway, China, Europe and Asian region as well. It contributes almost 17 to 20% of the storms of the western coast of US and South America. They are predictable and that can be in week advance. And that is what very a best advantage of this atmospheric river, that it is predictable. Its inflow you can forecast in advance and can have preparation in accordance with. Why this preparation is much needed, because in California, in the last 2023, due to the excessive rainfall laid by the atmospheric river there, Pineapple Express itself, it led to a sequence or events of flooding there. So that's why it is much important. Now, then what are the significance of this atmospheric river? Just like surface flow or river has its many advantages or significance as such to consider for. Same in the way atmospheric river के भी कोई significance है? Answer is yes. See, what are those significance? It is responsible for rainfall and role in climate. Yeah, it affects the overall climate of the region, weather of the region from where it flows. Then its role in water management and water security of the region. Yes, absolutely. Then it plays a crucial role in replenishing water supply to the region. Agriculture productivity is indirectly or possibly directly as well dependent on the presence of atmospheric river. And then it equally responsible or leads to a hydrological balance or ecosystem balance. So see, these are what the significance of the one unique river in our like overall atmosphere, that is itself atmospheric river. I hope guys this concept, okay, just a quick revision of this concept. Atmospheric river is a long narrow stretched 800 to 1000 kilometers of water vapor like moving up in the atmosphere. Example of this, you will find Pineapple Express, that is a real time. It led to a flooding over in the California in 2023. Sierra Nevada is for a region. Mein. This map diagram will help you further. Then you will find apart from this, where do they occur? Like in the UK, in Ireland, in Europe, in Asia as well, and South America and that region as well. Okay. Then significance of this atmospheric layers are so significant on the count water security, water balance, hydrological balance, then disaster and disaster management, agriculture productivity, and various other aspects are in connection with this atmospheric. So I hope you guys are now having pretty much clarity over on this. Hey, I think like if you really want this video, like this video, so please let me know in the comment box on which topic you guys want this explanation further. If you really like it, just don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your known and dear one. Thank you guys and have a good time.